How to create a donation link in Stripe for free and easy way to do so. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. Let's just go ahead and get to it. And first we will start by going to stripe.com and signing into our account. So I'm just going to sign in and see you on the other side. So once you actually sign in, I will be doing this in test mode, but obviously for your sake, if you actually want it to work, you will need to make sure that you're not in test mode and that you actually activate your account. This is obvious and you should actually do it. But for my case, I'm just going to be running it on test mode and it should be exactly the same way. So anyways, what you need to do from here is basically, once you're in the home page, you will need to just go to the transaction section from the home page, from the left dashboard here. So just go and click on transactions. And then from here, we wanted to basically create a payment. So from the top right, you will find the plus icon with create a payment option. So just go ahead and click on that. And then from here, we want to create a payment link. This is usually what's going to be working best for donations, because you can just send out the link as a QR code or just a link or embed it to your website, and you'll be able to basically have it run that way. So just go ahead and click on payment link. And then from here, we will need to set things up. So the first thing is going to be selecting the type. From here, you would want to select it and make sure you select customers choose what to pay. Because this is a donation, they will have the right to select the amount that they want to choose to pay or donate. So just go and select this one, the other option, which is customers choose what to pay. Now, don't worry, we can actually set a minimum limit. This way you can't really have them send out like a few cents, and it's just not going, it's going to be a mess. So we can actually send a minimum or set a minimum limit. So from here, we will go to the next thing, which is a title. So you can just go ahead and feel free to name it whatever you want. Obviously, it's going to be shown for other people. So make sure that you list in the proper donation name that you actually want. I'm just going to name it test donation. And also, if you want to add the description, letting people know what they're donating for, and just, they can read more about it and understand better what they're actually paying for. Next up is if you want to add an image, just, to also emphasize the cause, you could say, you can feel free to upload that here. And then we can also set up the currency. For me, I'm just going to leave it as it is, but if you want it to be US dollars, you can feel free to just select that from here. And also if you want it to be euro, it doesn't really matter. Just go and select the currency that you actually want to use. From here, we can just go in and suggest a preset amount. So this is going to show, like, for example, if you wanted to suggest a $5 amount, feel free to use it or not. I'm just going to leave it empty. But the second option, I'm actually going to set limits, and then the minimum amount, I'm just going to do, for example, 10. So minimum 10, and then you can, pay whatever you want above 10, or maybe even 10, I think is a bit much. We can just make it 5 in my currency. So you can just go ahead and feel free to add your minimum amount. Maximum, you can feel free to make it empty if you want. And then we also have advanced options here. From here, you also have a few options to set up. For example, the button here, you can see in the blue, says pay by default, but you can make it donate. And as you can see now, it says donate. And if you want to limit the number of payments, you can feel free to do so. If you want to add a custom field, you can also feel free to do so. Allow business customers or provide tax IDs, collect customers' addresses, require customers to provide a phone number. All of these things are going to be personally, it's subjective whether you actually want them or not. Once you're done with this, you can just go ahead and click on create link on the top right, and it should be done. You can just go ahead and copy the link, and then like from here, you can just go ahead and copy the link, and you can just go ahead and share it with people, and people will be able to donate to this link easily. So this is all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be helpful, and thanks for watching.